We're going to review the top 5 best sewing machine for beginners, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Brother XM2701. A machine known for its versatility, it is suitable for both users who are learning to sew and for those who are inching closer to the intermediate level. A beginner user is going to have a lot of questions when he begins the sewing journey. All sorts of words, bobbin, feet, stitch type, blind hem, etc. will come your way and fly over your head. That is why we suggest the Brother XM2701, a basic sewing machine for mask making that takes care of a beginner sewer like a teacher takes care of a pupil. Number 2. Janome 2212. Janome is another household brand that has its roots in Japan. We already know that Japan is a leader when it comes to consumer electronics, and Janome's machines are a great testament to that fact. A good sewing machine is dependable, lasts for years, and is robust. Exactly what Janome's models are. People who are looking for a sewing machine that is within the budget, that is easy to use with a detailed manual, and can be used for a variety of purposes should consider the Janome 2212. Number 3. Singer 7258. If Brother is a leader in the industry, then Singer is the household name. As a beginner, you will watch a lot of instructional videos online. Which brand are you going to see a lot? No prize for guessing. Hobbyists and DIYers who want to make artistic creations are going to fall in love with this machine. Its set of 76 decorative stitches also makes it perfect for a fashion design student. Singer is a crowd favorite because of a variety of reasons. More than the features, it's got traditional value. Number 4. Brother HC1850. If you are looking for an all-in-one yet basic package that is perfect for sewing, quilting and basic monogramming, then the Brother HC1850 is your best bet. Brother HC1850 is the best sewing machine for quilting. If you are looking for an inexpensive and computerized sewing machine with the added functionality of quilting, then your hunt ends here. The biggest advantage of having a detachable wide table is that for quilting you need a large space, which is not possible on a regular sewing machine. Number 5. Brother SE600. Although known for its intelligent embroidering capabilities, the Brother SE600 is also a powerful standalone sewing machine apt for beginner fashion students and hobbyists. It is highly regarded in the stitching industry and is Brother bestseller. Those looking for an extra dash of embroidery can go with this model. Although the Brother SE600 is capable of sewing, quilting, embroidering, and even appliquing,